Hazrat Basr bin Saeed radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu said, "While I was present in a gathering of the helpers, Hazrat Abu Moosa Ash'ari radiyallahu anhu came, embraced and said, I sought Hazrat Umar's permission thrice, but was not permitted. So I came back. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu inquired, what prevented you from staying there? I replied, I sought the permission thrice. When I was not granted permission, I came back. As Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said, when anyone of you have sought permission thrice, but he is not granted permission, he should go back. He said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you have to effect a proof, whether somebody else of you has heard it from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Ubay bin Ka'ab radiyallahu anhu said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, only the youngest of the people will testify you. Hazrat Abu Sa'id radiyallahu anhu said, I was the youngest among the people, so went along with him and said to Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has really said so. Yazid bin Basr has also heard the same from Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that call stands a permission for him. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6245.